I made $10,000 last month with my Fiverr gig. Here's how. Earning money with Fiverr has never been easier. Here's how I made $10,000 last month on Fiverr, and you can too. What does it mean to be a gig creator? It means that you create and sell services on the Fiverr platform. Services can be anything from graphics and design to video editing to writing and more. As a gig creator, you set your price for each service, and Fiverr takes a 20% commission. To make money on Fiverr, you need to create a gig, or multiple gigs, that people are willing to pay for. The key is knowing what other sellers charge for their services so you know what an appropriate rate would be. For example, if someone is selling photo editing for $5 per photo on Fiverr, then yours should probably cost at least that much too. You also want to consider your skill level when deciding how much to charge. If you're not skilled in graphic design but still want to offer this service, then it might make sense to charge less than the competition while you work on improving your skills and wait until they get more experience or they lose clients. Selling on the platform. Fiverr is a great platform for selling services and products online. I made over $10,000 last month by selling my Fiverr gig. If you're looking to make some extra money, I highly recommend giving it a try. Here's how it works. Create an account on the site, use your email. Then create a gig with your service or product that you want to sell, text description of what you are offering. The gig will be available in the Fiverr marketplace, but first, you'll need at least one customer who wants to buy your service or product. You can send them an email through the site or promote your gigs on social media like Facebook and Twitter. Now that you have customers, set up an appointment time for them to purchase your service or product so they don't have any reason not to come back again and again. Creating great content. If you're looking to make some extra cash on the side, or even replace your full-time income, Fiverr is a great platform to do it. I've been able to quit my day job and work from home full-time thanks to the consistent income one make from my Fiverr gig. Last month I made over $10,000 just by creating content for people on Fiverr gigs. It doesn't take much time at all when you get good at creating quality content that sells. On average, I'm earning around $300 per week on Fiverr gigs with only about 20 hours of work. That breaks down to about $150 per hour, which is more than enough for me. Marketing your gigs. The first step to making money on Fiverr is to create a gig that people will want to buy. Once you've got a gig set up, the next step is marketing it to the right audience. You can do this by leveraging social media platforms like Twitter and Facebook, or by paying for ads on Google or other sites. Make sure to include relevant keywords in your ads so that people searching for what you're selling will be able to find you easily. Also, make sure to keep your ad interesting and engaging so that you get more views. I have found these methods to work well for me as my success rate has increased exponentially. I always try to offer new content through videos or blog posts about my Fiverr gig, which leads me to my next point, marketing yourself on Fiverr. When you sign up for an account, they'll ask if you want to upgrade, which starts at $5 per month. Doing this will allow you to customize your profile page with information about yourself, including links to YouTube videos where possible and also blogs or anything else you want potential customers to know before they purchase from you. It also gives users the option of seeing reviews of sellers without having to click over to their gig page, another advantage of upgrading. Pricing your services. When you're first starting on Fiverr, it can be tempting to price your services as low as possible to attract buyers. But if you want to make good money on Fiverr, you need to price your gigs accordingly. I typically charge between $50 and $100 for my gigs, depending on the scope of work. And I make sure to deliver quality work that exceeds my buyers' expectations. After all, many other sellers on Fiverr will undercut you with poor quality work to win a new customer. So always put in the extra effort and try to go above and beyond what is expected. Gaining feedback from clients and improving services. When I first started on Fiverr, I didn't think I would make much money. I was just doing it for fun. But then I started to get more and more orders, and pretty soon I was making a full-time income from my Fiverr gig. Last month I made over $10,000. If you're looking to make some extra cash, or even replace your current income, here's how you can do it too. 1. Make sure you have the necessary skills to offer the service people are looking for. The better the quality of service you provide, the more likely people will order from you again in the future. 2. Put up an enticing description that attracts potential customers without misleading or overselling what they'll receive with their purchase. 3. Respond quickly to messages when someone places an order so they know they're getting good customer service and not waiting days for a response like other sellers on Fiverr sometimes do. 4. Deliver great work that exceeds expectations with each completed order so clients come back time and time again to work with you because they know they'll get their money's worth every time. Growth hacks. If you're looking to make some extra cash on the side, or even replace your full-time income, Fiverr is a great platform to do it. I've been making money on Fiverr for over a year now, and in the last month, I made over $10,000. Here are my top tips for making money on Fiverr. Find a skill that people need but that many people can't offer, such as voiceovers, website design, coding tutorials, etc. Consider doing work for other people first before selling your gig. Get testimonials from happy customers so you can use them in future marketing material. Remember that on Fiverr you don't just have to sell products, example, gigs, but also services, example, advertising space. Consider creating an advertising package and selling spots per day/week/month instead of listing them individually every time someone asks about ad placement prices. You'll get more work that way because clients will be able to request their preferred frequency and duration. The big picture, Fiverr has become a part of my life since I started using it, both as a freelancer and as an employer. It provides me with plenty of income while allowing me flexibility with how much time I want to put into this business. In summary, sign up for Fiverr today. Sign up link is in the description box. If you have any questions, do leave them in the comment section. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.